I just miss me hitting like balance point.
Have you ever had a dream that you had? It's a big bike to be doing all that, but you know, Brian did it. He did it on a Busa, so it's possible. It's very well possible. Are you staring at me?
Look at him staring at me.
We're just cruising around today. Today's actually like a really chill day for me. Honk! It don't work! Oh! He pulled it, but it's broken! That was solid. The stand-ups are truly helping me get better at my sit-downs, which is weird to think, but like in the last week, I've made so much progress within my wheelies. I've been faced with this barrier of balance point and really learning how to drop back and let it sit for that half second up top and able to hold speed or even slow down speed. That's the biggest challenge for me personally, and getting that rear brake control. I think I'm starting to get the control and being able to function and use it a lot more often rather than like the ocean moments that I've always used it for. I hope you guys are having a good day. I haven't had caffeine in my body in a little bit. I wasn't going to record. I always bring the camera, but I did a wheelie and I was like, yeah, let me turn it on. I can get it. I definitely can get it. It's hard on some surfaces and like some elevation, but I'm getting it. Wow, look at the photo shoot spot right here. Oh my. Wait, can I do wheelies up this? Damn, son. Damn, Kim. It's like that, my boy. I stopped like almost liking sit downs, but I always got this burning love for sit downs. Sit downs just, I don't know, they hit different. Something about not being able to see and like pretty much like you could die or get seriously injured. Something that just throws me. No, I don't mean it like that, but like, I don't know. That's what I grew up on, is sit downs, and it's a different type of feeling, a different type of control. What are you doing? Where are you parking? Where is he going? John's totally got that. Are you allowed to park there?
Probably not.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got her up at 12, baby. Ooh, a little bit of rear brake action, and that's a stop sign. And we got good brakes, boys. That was spicy.
Oh, there goes Cam.
Ooh, a little bumpy. Get it, baby, get it. That's so crazy. Woo, we got the bend in, baby. Let's slow it down. Okay. Damn. seconds are like on punch. Mentally and physically, a challenge right there. Thanks.
Anyways, we got the big boy up in the
You let go of everything for the shift! Guys, you guys see him hit the shift too? I can't say. Did he say something about Michael Jackson? Oh! Wait. Oh! Okay, never mind. He's not paying attention. Alright, whatever. We're gonna practice balance point. Mom, I'm doing a wheelie as we speak. How do you feel? I'm still going. I'm still going.
So easy for him, dude. Hell.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting really good at my rear brake. Holy crap. Like, I've never had this much control ever. I've never rode like that. I'm already expecting the depression. Thanks. Yeah, it was a little reckless, but I had it under control. I'm so sorry, Sky. Thank you for being a real one. Oh, I can slide my rear? What? You just get better and better, baby! Dude, what the fuck? You came by and just all raw cheeks. I'm like focused on wheeling and shit. Standing, sitting down, raw cheeks. Oh, we definitely almost crashed because he like stopped right in front of me and I'm like, I'm still gaining speed. But did we die? She's f***ing awesome, she won! Dude, what? 1v1, one more. 2 out of 3. I love her energy. Dude, people like that literally make my day. Damn, he's moving. He's floating.
R1? Both of them. These two?
Yep.
This is 2002?
This is 21.
What year is this? Oh, they went back old school with the fat face?
Nah, so they actually incorporated the newer R1 and the newer R6 and they kind of molded the face together.
Oh, this is R1.
Huh? Yeah, they're both R1s. That's just, what is that, 18?
Yeah.
18 and 21.
Yeah, how much they hit you for?
Say again? You want to go up the side? You want to do illegal shit that's legal? In my head, I mean, like, dude, cops literally would stop me for this, which is sad. But, like, out my way, like, they get mad about, like, this. And I'm like, well, we're a bike. We can fit. Oh, there's a hell of traffic. actions. Because it's just a dirt bike, you know? You got it. That's why the track's so important. Because it's not just about getting fast, it's about learning how to manipulate your bike and truly understand how to move your bike in the manner that you want to move your bike. And know the depths of how hard I can cut it, you know, without washing out or doing something weird and throwing off the front end. It allows you to be in tune with your bike. That's extremely important, and it builds that relationship so that you can go back out on the street and be a safer rider and understand more of your capabilities, if that makes sense. I'm always going to promote track, guys, always. I think it's so freaking important. Even if you're a street junkie and you're like, F the track, it's too expensive, it's worth it to go get the knowledge, take that hit in the wallet, and then you can return to the street and be a safer, smarter rider. That's kind of the path I went, but I still love the track. I'm still going to the track. I will never stop going to the track. I love the track too much. Jeez. Snapping at me. Woo! Evo? Evo? Totally an Evo. That's sexy. What are they moving? Holy crap. What is this? I couldn't tell. Nor do I care enough. Oh, I'm in first gear. What? Okay, I'm watching. He's gonna grab his hand. I knew it. I fucking knew it. What did he say?
This girl was in the passenger seat. I looked at him, and then I looked at her. I was like, he's mine now.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video.
JK, I lied, guys. You guys thought I would cut the video off? No. Anything's possible. I could rip a fat wheelie after this, and you guys would miss it. Get outside your comfort zone. This entire trip was outside my comfort zone. It's been amazing moments with people, with good people, you know, and that's, to me, that's what life's all about, is connecting with people, you know. I hope you guys can get outside of your comfort zone, man. Comfort zone is where you get stagnant in any shape, way, or form. What gear am I in? Because I don't even know how to ride a bike. I hope I can help, you know, at least one person take that opportunity that comes up, and they're like, you know what, I'm gonna do it, and they do it, and it's an amazing experience, or they learn so much, or that just helps them get to a different point, you know, or it changes their mindset, just betters their life. It's one thing that I truly love to do with you guys, with the people that I meet, everyone that I can. If I see you have a good heart, man, like, I really do want the best for you. It's a journey, man. It's a journey. It's not about the destination. Oh, look, we got Santa Claus next to us. You can't beat that sound. I think this is where that big dip is. You guys think I can bunny hop it? I'm gonna try. No traffic behind us. A little bit bumpy, babe. A lot of bit. Because as soon as I try to go to 12, it's gonna jump. Oh. Guys, I'm like actually getting this stuff down. I mean, I'm just proud of myself. I'm making. Let's try again. Bro, I'm ready for the flood. Sheesh. may be doing a wheelie, but I'm fully aware of what's going on around me. And always be safe than sorry. Always put that wheelie down. If you're unsure, put it down, man. There ain't no one to impress. You impress yourself by getting your ass home. Safe. Ow! I burned myself! I think that's so cool, like hitting it back, like all going, dropping back, hitting the rear brake a little bit, going to a stand-up. It's pretty cool. I'm finding my own little style. I really can't believe I'm getting that down. You guys don't understand like how much of a barrier that was. Like I really was trying last year, the FC07, like I was putting everything into it, like I was really wanted to learn it, and I just could not get comfortable with dropping back that far. And it's like overnight, you know, within a week, it's just like boom, right there. Like I didn't even realize, and then I'm like, wait a minute, like I'm doing it and I feel comfortable. It's like my body was like, oh no, we're cool with it now, you know, like we understand. Like it just blows my mind. It just blows my mind. And as long as you keep on practicing, you will hit those steps.